Alright, Rob Frazier here. This video. Wanted to, what I was planning on doing is every month on the 28th of the month I was going to upload a status update from basically following my BLC plan. Not BBW, not BLT, the BLC plan, Booster Leads and Commissions plan. So the whole idea was way back in, I don't know, maybe like 3-ish years ago, I was spending $5,500 a week on solo ad traffic. And the more I learned about solo ads, the more I found out about people doing fake clicks, just scamming people for clicks, lead stuffing, bots, all sorts of different things. Ever since coming across all of that, I really slowed down my solo ad buying, and quite frankly, it took out a lot of the steam in my marketing because I was buying solo ads. I almost swore by them, but come to find out, a lot of people were doing crappy things, and I was wasting a lot of money on solo ads and not tracking the right things. So since then, I wanted to go back to the basics, back to the beginnings of, all right, well, let's see if traffic exchanges and safe list really has a place in marketing. And these things have been around forever, and people still use them. So because of all that, started diving back into them. Once I dove back into them, I found out that traffic exchanges and safe lists are highly overwhelming if you don't have a plan, a daily method of operation, and you got to narrow it into like one or two instead of doing all of them. You really need to slow it down. So that being said, came up with the BLC plan, been following it, and this is just a monthly check-in. Now, also, this next month, I'm going to aim the BLC at another program. This past month, I was aiming it at my default BLC plan, but this next month I'm going to switch up my strategy and aim it at one program and just email about that one program for the next 28 days and then discuss my results at the end. So this is my capture page, and never mind if you hear cows. I don't know if you hear the cows moving across the street in the background. Living out in the country, got the windows open, got the dogs barking in the backyard, and I normally don't do videos here at 6:23 a.m., but the wife and kiddo are gone, so got the house all to myself so I can run around like a madman. Anyway, moving on. This is the capture page that I've been aiming my traffic to for the past 30 days. So you can see my real stats here. So total of, and one thing I am still learning about Leads Leap, I don't know the difference between unique and real visits. It has total visits, and I think the total is if someone clicks on your website and then clicks on it again, or if they refresh it or something like that. Or it could be a bot, a spider. But it has unique clicks, 8316, real visits, 11380. I think I'm going to just go with the middle because I don't know what the difference is per se. So 11,380 hits to my website over the past 30 days. 176 leads. And yes, these leads are opening my emails. That was one of the big stats. When I got into solo ads, I didn't know what to look for. I would just say, okay, I ordered 1,000 clicks and I got 300 opt-ins. That's 30% opt-in rate. That's the only thing I'll think about. Come to find out, later on you want to see if what percentage of those 300 leads who opted in are actually opening your emails, which is like the most important stat you could really think about. The most important stat, what percentage of leads are actually opening your emails, and then the opt-in rate. And then you take those two percentages and then you assign different traffic sources those percentages, and you only buy from the people with the best percentages. But that's a different topic altogether, different video. So here's what I did for the past month. And yes, I have got active signups. I'm not going to show that. I'm not going to show money. I'm just going to talk stats. So just kind of moving down here, traffic zipper, which is my safe list strategy. Basically, I surf a certain amount every single day. I don't overwhelm myself doing that. Past 30 days, 43 leads. My basic domain 5. Not going to go too much into a lot of them, but I'm going to just highlight different pieces of it. Easy hits for you. Very simple strategy. 5 leads this past month. I haven't really been buying my clicks. What I do is, instead of surfing ads on traffic exchanges, I just buy a certain amount of clicks each week, or I try to. This month I had all sorts of different things going on, so I didn't really buy a lot of traffic from Easy Hits for You. I think I bought those 500 clicks, which is like $3, and I've gotten 5 leads. And again, a lot of people talk trash about these traffic exchanges and Safeless, saying they're junk traffic. They're saying they're junk traffic because, one, it takes more hits than a solo ad to get opt-ins, and number 2, you tend to get people from all over the world. The way to kind of get around that is to target your ads. Only target United States people or people from top tier countries if that's what you want to work with. Me, I have an offer that's for a worldwide audience, so I'm all over. Traffic ad bar 3, MLM leads. I had my commissions from MLM leads. I rolled them back over into a traffic order. 63 leads, 19.44% opt-in rate. Now for a solo ad, that's kind of on the low side. A solo ad, or when you're buying from MLM leads, you want your percentage over, I would say, anywhere from 25 to 40%. You're okay. 19.44% is a little on the low side, but that could also be a capture page thing. My capture page isn't the best capture page that I've been using, and I need to start testing it more. So, YouTube, 30 leads over the past month, averaging a lead a day. I just recently am switching all of my links out underneath my videos. And that's basically it. So the biggest bulk, also Ad Click Express. A lot of people, that company's been around for, I don't know, a long time, since Just Been Paid, and it was a revenue sharing thing, and people are turned off by that. But the past 30 days I got 25 leads from their, and I think this link is their Prime advertising. Yeah, because their credit ad packs, I got 1 lead, and from my global representative page I got 1 lead. So yeah, the Ad Click Express Prime advertising. The very first month I got 95 leads from there. And the reason it went down is because when you buy a certain amount of ad packs, it boosts up your site when it comes to the priority. And I didn't buy any ad packs this past month. I just took my commissions and just re-rolled it back into the company. And so I went down to 25 leads. But still, those are 25 leads I didn't have to work for, I didn't have to do videos for, I didn't have to buy. I just used money within the system. The little recycled money, whatever it is they use, I don't care. I'm getting leads. Like I said, first month I got 95. The second month I got 25. So I may see what I have to do there to boost my site up to get more leads this next month. And that's basically it. So my safe list, when I say traffic zipper, that's my safe list strategy. If I remember, I'll put a link to my safe list video strategy, my video series. And my booster leads and commissions plan that consists of Easy Hits, Traffic Ad Bar, Traffic Swarm, and I don't remember all the traffic exchanges off the top. But it's a very simple strategy. It doesn't take a lot of work. That's the biggest thing. The traffic exchanges, I do a little bit each month. And with traffic exchanges, I will say, 1 to 2,000 hits will get you a lead. It sounds like a lot and it sounds ridiculous, but those are the stats. Safe list, 200 to 300 clicks will get you 1 lead. Solo ads, depending on the total amount of clicks you ordered, anywhere again from 25 to 40, sometimes up to 50, 55%. Some people get higher opt-in rates because they're super ninja marketers. I'm just the middle of the road average guy. That's what I'm doing. But again, my BLC plan, it has gotten me, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. So basically just 10 leads this past month. Again, not a lot. And I will say I haven't actually been following it because I had a bunch of personal things going on. But still, those 10 leads were easy. They're not from YouTube. You can see down here my YouTube 30 leads. Not from a solo ad, 63 leads. But again, this next month we'll have a much better bead on my lead flow. But just wanted to throw out this update, show you my real numbers from following my BLC plan. Again, it's simple, it's easy. It takes like 20 minutes a day. I think I got, what, 20 leads again? Let's just count them again. Let's see, 25, 30. All right, let's just see this again. So, since it's the morning, I'm still on my first cup of coffee. Then I didn't put on a shirt to do this video, so don't be judging my fat ass. Pardon my French. All right, so 25, 30, 33, 34, 35 leads this past month following my BLC plan. And so all the programs within the BLC plan, that's where I'm counting my leads from. So Ad Click Express, I got, let's see, 1, Ad Click Credit Pack, 2, Traffic Ad Bar, 3, I already lost count again. Ad Click Express, 25. So most of my leads from the BLC plan has come from Ad Click Express, the Prime advertising, with 25 leads. So again, going down here, Infinity Traffic Boost, you know, it's, again, if this number hits 2,000 and I have no leads, it's time to cut it off. Well, actually, the reel. Once this reel hits 2,000, it's time to cut it off. Like, so for example here, one of the traffic exchanges within the BLC plan, within the Cash Juice plan, Cash Juice plan's a little different, you know, and I think Traffic Splash is a good one to cut off because I got 3671 and 0 opt-ins. So that one is going to have to get cut off. That one's not a part of the BLC plan. That one is in the Cash Juice plan, so I didn't really cover it in this video. But those are my stats. Hopefully you sat around, listened to me ramble long enough. Want to learn how to use the BLC plan? Link is below the video. Again, I got, what, 35? See, 25 plus 5. That's 30, 33, 34, 35. Yeah, so 35 leads. Not bad. Just over a lead a day is the average. There's nothing wrong with that. And it doesn't take that long. I surf my ads on Infinity Traffic Boost. I surf my ads on Ad Click Express. I surf my ads on Traffic Ad Bar. It takes maybe like 5 to 10 minutes to do that for a lead-ish per day. And that's well worth it, in my opinion, because it's easy traffic. You don't have to struggle for it. Anyway, wrapping this video up. Name's Rob Frazier. See you in the next one.